Beautiful day, Patriots. How are you? It's February 24th, and we're going to continue with the timestamp and gap code. Yesterday we talked about how the time differences and the gap in between each tweet is where the message is. Today we're going to do multiple examples. So as we stopped yesterday, the first tweet of the day is our starting point. As with yesterday's example, the second tweet came in 1 hour later, and we showed how, with the difference of being 60 minutes, the gap from the timestamp and gap code is 59 minutes. So we went to Q drop 59. And it was kind of funny, wasn't it? So today, let's expand on from this. Same example. First tweet of the day came in. Second tweet of the day came in an hour later. Now the third tweet comes in 2.5 hours later than the first tweet. The first tweet is still our starting point in the day. We're going to now give it an actual hour of 12 o'clock noon. The second tweet came in, an hour later, so that would have been 1 p.m. And now we have just determined that the third tweet has come in 2.5 hours past the first tweet, and that would be at 2:30 p.m., correct? Okay. So we've already seen the gap message between the first tweet and the second tweet, which was 59. Now we have a new gap message. Let's see what POTUS Trump wants to tell us. So what I do is I take the time from the first timestamp, 12 o'clock noon, and the third tweet that came in at 2:30 p.m. I find the time difference, which is 2.5 hours. I then go and refer to the timestamp and gap code. And the code is the gap. So the gap on a 2 hour and 30 minute time difference is 2 hours and 29 minutes. I just gap the whole time difference. I do not do it per hour. I don't do it per tweet. You want to keep it as simple as you possibly can. So the time difference between the first tweet and the third tweet is 2.5 hours. And the gap of that 2.5 hours is 2 hours and 29 minutes. So then we would go to Q drop 229. Again, I should be more prepared. I do not know what 229 Q drop says. Maybe a coincidence. We'll see. So there we go. Yesterday was the step 1. Today was step 2. We will continue going on. There's many steps to this, but once again, it stays within the formula. You cannot change the formula. It is the timestamp and gap code. We will continue forward. My friends, I hope this is beneficial for you. We have a lot of fun things to learn and discover along the way. And I would like to now, at this particular point in time, just talk about yesterday, February 23rd. If you go to my Twitter channel, Beautiful Day, Patriots United, that's the name of the channel, you will see hundreds and hundreds of examples of the timestamp and gap code. I take pictures of them and post them up to show you exactly how I did it. I make diagrams and so that you don't have to actually figure it out yourself, or just trust me. I want to teach you and show you how you can do it so you can do this at home on your own. This is the whole purpose of what I'm trying to do, is to show you so that you don't have to trust or think or follow anybody. You can follow yourself at home. Okay, so what happened yesterday is POTUS Trump's timestamping gap codes kept coming up to Q35. When we went to the military Twitter pages and did their gaps and their videos, it kept coming up to Q35. Q35 is POTUS Trump, Donald J. Trump, 41020, praying and telling everybody about Jesus. He's also saying thank you. If you go look at Q35, this one I know on the top of my head. And I want to say God bless America. I want to say God bless Q for bringing these people, myself, and so many more closer to Jesus than ever I thought possible. It's just a glorious, great awakening. May we all... What a great day today. POTUS Trump just tweeted out, first tweet of the day, February 24th. Do not be busy this 4th of July, folks. If you're a QAnon follower, you know what this means. You don't need someone like me to decipher that for you. Oh my goodness. We are really living in just incredible times. So remember, be very compassionate to the people that are going to be waking up, right? I mean, who wants to wake up? We get cranky, right? When we first get up until we have a cup of coffee. Be somebody's cup of coffee in the future. You know, and you know what that does? When we do have a fresh cup of coffee, it not only just wakes us up, but it makes us ready to charge and have the energy to conquer the day. My Anons, I love you. You've got this. God bless you.